All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about the Pico Scope's built-in battery test. It is my go-to method for testing batteries. More accurate than a Midtronics because you're using the load of the starter in place of capacitance. You know, and Midtronics works as, you know, electronics, wizardry, stuff like that. And I'm sure everybody that's used Midtronics has a battery that passes the test or says charge and retest, and it's a bad battery. We all know it, but it's not showing up with the little printout. This test is much more accurate. You're using the starter as your load to test the battery. That is my preferred method for testing anything. If I cannot use the original load, I substitute a load, a light bulb, you know, something that draws a similar amount of amperage. Well, the starter is the load that you put on the battery and make sure it, you know, starts the vehicle. So this is a much more accurate test. All right, to hook up at the battery, we're going to take our negative and hook it in the negative slot, positive to positive. Now our Pico Scope is set up with our battery connection at channel A and our high amp clamp set at channel B. The high amp clamp you want to set to 200 amps, and you want to, of course, zero it. And then you're going to take and put that arrow towards where the voltage is going, i.e. towards the starter. On this application, it's pretty easy. We've got a connection right there, battery going right to the starter. And then we're going to go ahead and run our test, set up our Pico Scope software, and get everything going. All right, we're going to input our temperature and our cold cranking amps. Connections at the battery, we're going to do the built-in Pico battery test. We're going to go ahead and hit start, and we're going to start the car. And there's our report. We've got initial voltage of 13 volts, state of charge 100%, lowest voltage 8.42 volts, voltage drop 5.5 volts, internal resistance measurement. We're going to get our charging voltage at 14.4. Our ripple is good. Quick, fast test with the Pico Scope. All right, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.